our true emotions. शहीदों की चिताओं पर लगेंगे हर बरस मेले, वतन पे मरने वालों का यही आखिरी निशान होगा. You know, today we are able to breathe in a free country thanks to our martyrs, those who laid their lives for the nation. And those were people for real, children of their mothers, who did not hesitate. Some of them were as young as some of you, 16-year-olds, 17-year-olds. They did not hesitate, and I'm sure you must have read about some, but there are most of our freedom fighters, whose names have not been mentioned in history. But little did they think before sacrificing their lives for the nation. They did not hesitate even once. And they knew this very well, that they might not be able to see a free country. But despite of that, they did what best they could do. So please remember, children, it is not necessary to get the credit always. Sometimes we are behind the curtains, working hard, getting things, doing things, and still we might not get any credit. So don't run after credit, don't run after success. Today's freedom, when we celebrate freedom, this is one lesson that we take home. Second thing is this, children, please don't give up hope. When I look at you, I know there is a very bright tomorrow that I will live to see. Even if I don't, I see a very bright future tomorrow. And the simple reason is, I know you are bright, you are young, you just need that self-realization to dawn on you that, okay, now I have to do something for the country. And a life is surely wasted if it is of no use to the people around us and of no use to the country we have been born in. Alright? So I will conclude with the famous 4 lines, really close to my heart. आन बान शान हो गुमान माटी काज से, देश भक्ति वाला ही तूफान आज दीजिए. आन बान शान हो गुमान माटी काज से, देश भक्ति वाला ही तूफान आज दीजिए. एक हाथ गीता तो है, दूजे हाथ हमें कुरान आज दीजिए. सच श्यामला चूनर भानी ओढ़े माटी सदा, देश के लिए मरूं अरमान ऐसा दीजिए. जहां भाषा, जाति, धर्म और क्षेत्र की दीवार न हो, हे माँ ऐसा हिंदुस्तान मुझे दीजिए. जब जब लूं जन्म यही देश ही मिले, जब जब लूं जन्म यही देश ही मिले, मेरी माता ऐसा वरदान मुझे दीजिए. जय हिंद, जय भारत.